Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to Al-Rehman Academy. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk about past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is a tense which is used to indicate a continuing action or event that was happening in some point or time in the past. ऐसा काम जो पास्ट में कंटिन्यू रहा हो, कंटिन्यू था पास्ट में, जिसकी कंटिन्यूटी हमें गुजरे हुए वक्त में मिलती है, ऐसे टास्क को, ऐसे वर्ब को, ऐसे एक्शन को नरेट करने के लिए वी यूज पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. हेल्पिंग वर्ब एंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. was and were are used as helping verb. was और were को helping verb के तौर पर इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. And first form of verb plus ing यानी fourth form of verb is used. Let's talk about the structures of positive, negative, interrogative and WH sentences using past continuous tense. Positive sentence. Structure: subject plus was oblique verb plus fourth form of verb plus object. Ali was talking to his friend. अली अपने दोस्त से बात कर रहा था. Subject अली. Helping verb was. Talking fourth form of verb. His friend object. Negative sentence. Structure: subject plus was oblique verb plus not plus fourth form of verb plus object. My mother wasn't cooking delicious biryani. मेरी मदर लजीज बिरयानी नहीं बना रही थी. Subject my mother. Helping verb was, not. Fourth form of verb cooking. Object delicious biryani. Interrogative sentence. Structure: was oblique verb plus subject plus fourth form of verb plus object. Were they building their new house? क्या वो अपना नया घर तामीर कर रहे थे? Helping verb were. Subject they. Fourth form of verb building. Object their new house. WH sentence. Structure: WH family word plus was oblique verb plus subject plus fourth form of verb plus object. Why was he fighting with his friends? वो अपने दोस्तों से क्यों झगड़ा कर रहा था? WH family word why. Helping verb was. Subject he. Fourth form of verb fighting. Object his friends. I hope this lecture is quite entertaining and informative for you people. Don't forget to check out the playlist named as Tenses on our channel if you want to learn all the tenses. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so that you may not miss our upcoming educational and informative content. Happy learning with Al-Rehman Academy. Thank you.